Hey, beautiful family. Good morning from my side. How is today? Happy new week. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I'm right. Okay. Yeah. We are in another new week. All glory to God. Thank you so much for all your support, for all your kind hearts. Yeah. I do not take your love, your support for granted. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah. So my return is go share. Sosongo, eti, okay? Sosongo, in my own language, Sosongo. Amanam. Amanam eti, okay? All right. Time you are just seeing this face. For the first time, okay? You are highly welcome. Thank you so much. Okay? Please do well and subscribe. Stay. Okay? Feel at home. Yeah, accept me just the way I am. Okay? Thank you so much. Don't mind. So in today's video, guys, we are going to prepare like cook. Okay, so stay with me. I have enough laundry, but I bought chicken yesterday. I do not want anything to happen to it. I do not want it to spoil it, so I'll make just quickly, I don't know how it's going to look like, but quickly fresh okra soup just to eat there and finish it there. Okay, we'll eat it there and we'll finish it there. Yeah, also I bought the okra yesterday also. These are quite expensive, but there's nothing we can do. We still have to keep appreciating God, because He said in every reason, in every situation, in every situation, any condition we find ourselves, that we should thank Him. Okay, so we have to thank God. God hates complain, but as a human now, we always complain. But we thank God He's a merciful God. He's always there to forgive and show us mercy. Yeah, so we thank God for everything. Yeah, I'm going to make just quickly, delicious and fresh okra. So we'll do it together. Okay, never mind, not too much ingredient, not too much in any things. It's just something to finish it. I don't want, yeah, I will do it with what I have. That's what I'm trying to say. What I have, that's what I'm going to do it with. So in case you're wondering, she don't put this, no, do not worry. Okay. Yeah, see you in the kitchen. Yeah, see you in the kitchen. Right, let's do it together. So here is our chicken. Okay, yeah, that's how we wash it. I soak it with lemon. Yeah, and this is our fresh okra. Okay. And this okra is let's say almost 100, sorry, almost $1. Okay, it's almost, this is, let's just say $1 okra. Yeah, you can see, imagine. But we thank God, yeah, for providing all the time. So guys, let's dive into the cooking. So guys, after washing the chicken, this is what I do. Now, strong chicken. Something I discovered in chicken. I don't know if you discovered it before also. Okay, do you know chicken armpit do smells? Do you know about that? Sorry to say, there was one day I wanted to eat chicken. It was the hand, the feather, and the horn was seriously smelling. I couldn't. Very nonsense, I have to throw it, guys. I don't know if you observe it. Anyway, the chicken, it was bought outside. Okay, yeah. They bought it outside. We didn't wash it there, and it already, like all this roasted chicken. Okay, that was how. Maybe they don't wash it well. Understand? That was the reason. Now, so guys, as you can see, I added onions, diced pepper. The pepper I don't want to pound it. It's very hot. Okay, this is how I want it. You can grind your pepper or pound as you want. Then what again? Seasoning cube, just one, and bay leaf. I'm going to add my groves now. All right, so that's it. So cover it to cook, and we'll come back to see.
literally,
literally, Ya Allah,
literally,
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 literally.
literally.